What's up guys, welcome back to Dom's Crypto YouTube channel where we talk about all things crypto. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos coming out. In today's video, I want to touch on a subject which Michael Ney was talking about in his very recent live stream on Twitter. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow him. He shares some amazing insights on the cryptocurrency space regularly, so I do recommend you check him out if you haven't already. In his recent live stream, he was talking about the Cryptopia hack. That's what I wanted to focus the video on before seeing him live. He mentioned a very important aspect which many of us forget about, and it's to do with trusting the exchanges. No matter how established the exchange is, I don't think you own the coins that you bought unless you own the private keys, and that's exactly what Michael Ney was talking about. It's very important that you guys secure your bags. I mean, it doesn't take too long to set up wallets and set up secure measures in place just to protect yourself. There were people who trust Cryptopia deeply and they were surely not expecting a hack. And I can tell you that there are hundreds, if not thousands of people who lost their money because they just didn't want to put the secure measures in place. That's why I urge you, if you're not looking to flip coins, on a daily basis or something, if you want to hold on to them, make sure you keep them off the exchange. You basically need to own the private keys, as Michael Ney said, then you truly own those coins. No matter if it's Cryptopia, Binance, Coinbase, whatever. You never know in this space or in any space what can happen. And if you want to make yourself vulnerable, then, go ahead. But a smart thing to do would be to just secure that bag really. Michael also touched on a point of a possible exit scam by Cryptopia. And to be honest, I mean guys, anything is possible in this space. What if Cryptopia hack is not an actual hack but an exit scam? I mean, not too probable, but possible. There is a possibility. So you never want to make yourself vulnerable to those things. You don't want your coins to be at the mercy of an exchange. So I do recommend you go ahead and put secure measures in place, just so that in a couple of months, a couple of years, when you look back to cash out on the coins you own, you're not surprised, basically. Again, big shout out to Michael Ney again. He actually went live exactly when I was going to record a video about Cryptopia hack. So some great insights again from him as always. So now that we've got this trending topic out of the way, Cryptopia seems to be all over crypto Twitter. I want to be very transparent with you guys. I want to let you know what my position is and how I want to play out the next few months and basically the entire 2019. Another very influential channel in the space called Altcoin Daily has made a video a couple of days ago about, and he mentioned Bob Lucas. Bob Lucas is a guy who has over 25 years experience in trading, and he's a very successful trader. He created this chart here about Bitcoin market cycle. Like most assets, Bitcoin has a 4-year major cycle. These 4-year cycles spend almost 75% of the time going up and 25% going down. It's a natural process. So he drew his point very accurately here. So this is Bitcoin starting from 2013 really. And as you can see, we had this 70% cycle of an uptrend, an unbelievable uptrend actually, and then followed by 59 weeks of downtrend. And then again, 2015, we had some great time for Bitcoin. If you got into Bitcoin at these levels, so around $350, you could have been in some major gains. And that cycle lasts 75% of the time, 152 weeks to be exact. And then, as you all know, 2018 was a year of a downtrend. We went down and we kept going down. We were actually stuck at the 6K mark for a while. And in the end of the year, we went down to the 3.1k levels. So that was 50 weeks. I'm not saying we can't go a bit further down, but I really trust this projection. Again, that's not a financial advice. This is basically what I'm doing with my money, and I want to be very transparent with you guys. I do believe in Bitcoin long term, and I am a firm Bitcoin believer. For the past year, 2018, I can't lie, I did lose some money, but my main focus in 2018 was on trading. I didn't have many long-term positions. Trading wasn't so bad. Trading altcoins was bringing me some profits along the way. They weren't huge, but nonetheless, it made me cancel out some of the losses from my long-term positions. But now I've started accumulating Bitcoin for long-term hold. And what I mean by that, going back to the last point about the Cryptopia hack, I've got a wallet offline which I just keep adding to. What I'm planning to do is on a weekly basis purchase some amounts of Bitcoin for the next few months. I think we will see some side action as the graph indicates, and at these side action moments I'm gonna try and accumulate as much Bitcoin as I can for the next bull run. I do believe it will happen. As I said, I am a believer in Bitcoin, but this is not a financial advice. This is me being transparent with you guys. For me, I feel like this is the moment where I can feel comfortable accumulating and going really hard on accumulating Bitcoin and holding onto it for the next 2 to 3 years, and that's the plan. So that's my position on Bitcoin. I've already started accumulating at the end of last month, and I will continue to do so, and I will tell you guys when I'm done, just so I'm ready for the next bull run, which I strongly believe it will happen. So that's my position on Bitcoin. When it comes to altcoins, I do have a couple of projects in mind. I've got a couple of short holds which I will tell you about later on, but in terms of long holds, I'm yet to decide on which coins I want to invest in, which coins I want to accumulate, and that's what I'm gonna be doing in the next few months as well. So if you do have your favorite project that you want me to look at, I've already have a rough idea of a couple of altcoins that I want to keep my tabs open for. I'm looking at the developments, I'm following them closely, but if you have your favorite coin, let me know in the comment section below of this video, so maybe I could have a look at it and potentially maybe review it on the channel even. So make sure you get engaged in the comment section below this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and also follow me on Twitter. We've been growing on Twitter very nicely for the past few weeks, and I want to continue doing that. So if you want, join me. I'll see you in the next video.